ನಾನು ಯಾರು?
Who am I? Who am I? Who am I?
ಫೋನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Who answered the phone? Who answered the phone? Who answered the phone?
ಯಾರವರು?
Who are they? Who are they? Who are they?
ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಯಾರು?
Who are those girls? Who are those girls? Who are those girls?
ನೀವು ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about?
ನೀನು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ?
Who are you with? Who are you with? Who are you with?
ನೀನು ಯಾರು?
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ಯಾರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು?
Who told you to do this? Who told you to do this? Who told you to do this?
ಯಾರು ಖರೀದಿಸಿದರು?
Who bought? Who bought? Who bought?
ಯಾರು ವಿಂಡೋವನ್ನು ಮುರಿದರು?
Who broke the window? Who broke the window? Who broke the window?
ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು?
Who did it? Who did it? Who did it?
ಯಾರು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದರು?
Who called me? Who called me? Who called me?
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Who invited you? Who invited you? Who invited you?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದರು?
Who came here? Who came here? Who came here?
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Who can speak English? Who can speak English? Who can speak English?
ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು?
Who did it? Who did it? Who did it?
ನೀವು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet?
ಯಾರು ಸತ್ತರು?
Who died? Who died? Who died?
ನೀವು ಯಾರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜೀವಿಸುತ್ತೀರಿ?
Who do you live with? Who do you live with? Who do you live with?
ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಯೋಚಿಸುತ್ತೀರಿ?
What do you think of me? What do you think of me? What do you think of me?
ನೀವು ಯಾರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೀರಿ?
Who do you want to speak to? Who do you want to speak to? Who do you want to speak to?
ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು?
Who chose you? Who chose you? Who chose you?
ಯಾರು ಅವನನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡರು?
Who found him? Who found him? Who found him?
ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಡಿದರು?
Who gave you that? Who gave you that? Who gave you that?
ಅವಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು?
Who can help her? Who can help her? Who can help her?
ಯಾರು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Who is coming? Who is coming? Who is coming?
ಅವನು ಯಾರು?
Who is he? Who is he? Who is he?
ಯಾರು ಹಸಿವಿನಿಂದ?
Who is hungry? Who is hungry? Who is hungry?
ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಯಾರು?
Who is that boy? Who is that boy? Who is that boy?
ನಿರ್ವಾಹಕ ಯಾರು?
Who is the manager? Who is the manager? Who is the manager?
ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರ ಯಾರು?
Who is your brother? Who is your brother? Who is your brother?
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Who lives here? Who lives here? Who lives here?
ಯಾರು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು?
Who made it? Who made it? Who made it?
ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಯಾರು?
Who made the rules? Who made the rules? Who made the rules?
ಯಾರು ಇದು ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ?
Who needs that? Who needs that? Who needs that?
ಆ ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಲೀಕರು ಯಾರು?
Who is the owner of that house? Who is the owner of that house? Who is the owner of that house?
ಯಾರು ಕರೆದರು?
Who called? Who called? Who called?
ಯಾರು ಓಡಿ ಹೋದರು?
Who ran away? Who ran away? Who ran away?
ಯಾರು ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Who remembers? Who remembers? Who remembers?
ಈ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಹಾಡಿದರು?
Who sang this song? Who sang this song? Who sang this song?
ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Who sent it? Who sent it? Who sent it?
ಯಾರು ಬೆಂಕಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು?
Who started the fire? Who started the fire? Who started the fire?
ಯಾರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು?
Who told you? Who told you? Who told you?
ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡರು?
Who took it? Who took it? Who took it?
ಈ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಯಾರು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Who took this picture? Who took this picture? Who took this picture?
ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಬೇಕೆಂದು ಬಯಸುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Who wants to go? Who wants to go? Who wants to go?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು?
Who was here? Who was here? Who was here?
ಯಾರದು?
Who was it? Who was it? Who was it?
ಯಾರು ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ?
Who is that girl? Who is that girl? Who is that girl?
ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬರುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Who will come with me? Who will come with me? Who will come with me?
ಮಗುವಿನ ಆರೈಕೆ ಯಾರು?
Who will take care of the baby? Who will take care of the baby? Who will take care of the baby?
ಯಾರು ಗೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Who will win? Who will win? Who will win?
ಯಾರು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದರು?
Who wrote this? Who wrote this? Who wrote this?
ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು ಯಾರು?
Who wrote this book? Who wrote this book? Who wrote this book?
ಯಾರು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Who will go? Who will go? Who will go?
ಯಾರು ಹೊಣೆಗಾರರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ?
Who is responsible? Who is responsible? Who is responsible?
ಯಾರು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
ಯಾರು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Who is watching? Who is watching? Who is watching?
ಟುನೈಟ್ ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Who is working tonight? Who is working tonight? Who is working tonight?
ಯಾರ ತಪ್ಪು?
Whose fault is it? Whose fault is it? Whose fault is it?
ಅವನು ಯಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ?
Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he?